some bad news. Not going to Van Fest this year, unfortunately. This windshield is all cracked, and so I'm getting it replaced on Monday. So I'm gonna clean all this up here, clean it all up, get it ready for the new windshield. Well, started on some body work for around this window, and it is worse than I thought. I think some long strand fiberglass will help take care of this. Tomorrow I'm going to sand it better some more. We'll see how it goes. All right. Might have to just end up doing this hood over again. Well, started that body work up top. Grinded everything out right to the steel. Grinded out all the rust. I sprayed some rust converter on it, and then I just gave it a coat with short strand fiberglass. So I'll see how that goes. I'm doing these front corners as well. That way they all blend. Also sanded that piece down, getting it ready to take this windshield out, put the new one in. Tomorrow will be a good day of sanding. Hopefully it's not too hot. See how it goes. Well, look at what I woke up to this morning. I got bees. They went into the empty houses that I had here. They started their own little family, so now I got bees. Yes. So we'll be having honey again. Do one more pass with some mud, sand it, and then it's ready for prime. But if it rains, it could be an issue. So I might have to cover it. Pretty good, but it needs, I think there's a couple little waves in there, so I think another little skim of Okay, there's the final product after a little bit of washing. And then up top there, windshield's getting replaced on Monday, so I didn't care too much about overspray hitting it. But I might redo this hood. Kind of messed up when I did it the first time around. I was learning. Yeah, I did way better on the tops of these fenders here and then up on top there. Way better job I did on there. So I might just redo this hood quickly. Kind of disappointed with the hood now in comparison. But we'll see. Okay. Gonna be getting a new windshield installed. Well, at least this one taken out first. Then I'm gonna have a look and see if it needs some work inside there. I think it does. So I'll have to do some fixing in there, and then we'll be coming back to put it back in a day or two. There's all finished, nice. Turned out really good. had a nice rain on the day that I'm getting the window replaced. Figure. Looks to be good up there. No leaks. The only leak happening is in the window. There's a drain hole on that side. On this side, I should say. And on the other side, there is no drain hole, so I'm gonna have to make one, probably. And we'll see how it goes once they take it out. Have a look and see if there's any fixings up I need to do.